This is it. This is the world's smallest charcoal grill. All right, so I'm gonna light up the little grill and then season the fish. Okay, so the grill is going. Time to season the fish. Oh, we start with the pepper. I got the seasoned pepper right here. Isn't like pepper seasoning already? So like they seasoned the seasoning. Sounds good to me. Both sides and the inside for show. A little chipotle and roasted garlic. That might have been too much. Put on the outside. Yeah, let me like take a little out. Then we're gonna finish it with some lemon pepper. Boom, fish is ready to go. Just waiting on the grill. All right, so I think like the grill that's the best we could do. It's a little wonky, but you know, what can you do? So here we go. Ooh, hear that sizzle. I'm literally cooking a tiny fish in a tiny grill. Yo, that doesn't look too bad. that don't look too bad. No. Had to improvise and use the can. The trout's falling apart. I will say it's working. It smells good and it looks delicious. The grill is working better than I thought. It's you know, you have to make do with what you got. I hear this thing sizzling. All right, the fish is done. It looks good. Time to try it. I would say the little grill kind of put in work. Oh, come on now. Come on now. Smell-o-vision. Smell-o-vision. Ooh. Is this lemon or lime? No, this is lemon, right?
Lemon.
The more you know. All right, so can't forget the little lemon drizzle. Oh my goodness. Time to try it. Oh, oh yeah. Let's see. Cheers, guys. Oh, that's so good. Wait. Let me know what you think.
That's really good.
There you guys go. The little grill worked. Let me know if you guys want me to use it in more videos, because I'm down. This thing's kind of fun. And thank you to this trout who like tastes really good. Let's get that skin though. Oh, wait, hold on. With the skin. Here. Come on now. Even better? Hold on, let me try it with the skin. Nice little piece. Thanks for watching the video, guys.